Hi! In front of me is HONOR X7A, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off high performance mode on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Battery section. Then click on this gray switcher next to Performance Mode in order to activate it. As you can see, after that, high performance is on, but you can always switch it off by tapping on the same now blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!